Welcome to OBDSync. I'm Jason, and in this episode we're going through how to program a replacement parking assist control module in a Holden JH Cruze. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the park assist control module tile. This will then begin loading in the available options. Once loaded, we'll click the flashing tab along the top, and then we can head down to the right button. It's recommended to make sure you do have a battery maintainer fitted before you click right. Once you do, it will then begin downloading the required files and then begin the flashing sequence. The flashing in these modules is very fast. It's done in under a couple seconds. That's it now actually completed. Just finalizing the flash routine, and then we'll have a pop-up indicating that it's successful and completed. And there it is. We go ahead, click OK. We can then head up to our learn functions and perform our last task, which is the VIN Security Link, which is programming the correct VIN into the module just to match that vehicle. That's now completed. We can go ahead and press OK. And then finally, we can head over to the DTCs tab, and we can read out any pending faults, and finally we can clear them away. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.